Hey creatives, remember the story of the golden goose? It's this tale where the goose is laying a golden egg every day, which is pretty darn great. And the farmer, because he's an idiot, decides that the best thing to do is to cut the goose open and get the entire lifetime worth of eggs all at once. It doesn't work that way. He just ended up with a dead goose. Ha ha ha, very funny, he was an idiot. But we do that to ourselves. Your golden egg is your eventual body of work where you want to be in time. The books you've written, the art that you've drawn, the music you've created. It takes time to get there. You're not there yet. Just like the goose, you need to be fed, watered, cared for. There is not a garden on this earth that's going to produce fruit and vegetables the way you want without maintenance. I know, you want to be there now. You want to have arrived already and have that body of work. But you will have that body of work in time if you don't give up. And if you remember to not beat yourself up for not having produced all of that work already. It's your lifetime body of work. It'll take a while to get there. Feed yourself, water yourself, take care of yourself, have patience with yourself. You will get there in time. You've got at least one person in your corner. Sit down with me now, and together, let's make something new.